Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real World English, where we help you speak English with confidence. I'm Ben.
Hi, Ben. Hello, everyone. It's so good to be here with you today. How have you been, Ben?
I've been great, Chloe, thank you. The weather is getting a little cooler here, and it's making me think of warm, sunny places. I've been daydreaming a lot.
Daydreaming? I know that feeling. What have you been daydreaming about?
Vacations, thinking about traveling to new places, seeing new things, which is actually the perfect topic for our conversation today. Planning a dream vacation.
Oh, I love this topic. This is one of my favorite things to talk about. Planning a trip is almost as fun as the trip itself.
It really is. But before we start packing our imaginary bags, we have a quick message for all of our wonderful listeners.
That's right. If you enjoy our conversations and find them helpful for your English learning, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this episode, don't forget to give it a like.
Your support truly means the world to us and helps our channel grow. We really appreciate it. Now, Chloe, let's talk about travel.
Let's do it.
So, the big question first. If you could go anywhere in the world, right now with no limits, what is your dream vacation?
Oh, wow. That is a big question. My dream vacation, I think it would have to be somewhere with beautiful, crystal clear blue water and white sand beaches. Maybe the Maldives or Bora Bora. I want to stay in one of those little bungalows over the water.
Ah, a classic beach paradise vacation. I can definitely understand that. Waking up and jumping right into the ocean.
Exactly. Just relaxing, reading a book, swimming, no stress. Pure relaxation. What about you, Ben? Are you a beach person or do you prefer something different?
You know, I love the beach, but for a dream vacation, I think I would choose a city full of history and culture. My dream would be to spend 2 weeks in Rome, Italy.
Rome. Oh, that's a fantastic choice. Why Rome?
I love history. The idea of walking through the Roman Forum or seeing the Colosseum, it feels like traveling back in time. And the food, pasta, pizza, gelato, I would be so happy.
Okay, the food is a very good reason. So I am relaxing on a beach, and you are exploring ancient ruins. We are very different travelers.
It seems so. But both sound amazing. So, let's get practical. When you plan a trip, what's the first step? For me, it's always the budget. How much money can I spend?
Yes, that's so important. It's not a fun part, but it's necessary. I usually create a special savings account for travel. Every month, I put a little bit of money into it. Seeing the money grow gets me excited and motivated.
That's a very organized way to do it. So, once you have your budget, what's next? Booking the flights and the hotel?
Yes, and this is the part that can be stressful. I spend hours looking at websites, comparing prices for flights. I always try to book my flight on a Tuesday. I heard it's the cheapest day.
Oh, that's a great tip. I usually look for hotels first. I love reading reviews from other travelers. It helps me find the perfect place to stay. I want a place that is clean, safe, and close to the things I want to see.
The location of the hotel is so important. You don't want to spend all your vacation time traveling into the city. So, flights and hotels are booked. Now for the fun part, packing. Ben, be honest. Are you a light packer or an overpacker?
I try to be a light packer, I really do. I try to bring only what I need. I usually travel with just a carry-on suitcase. It's so much easier at the airport.
I don't know how you do it. I am an overpacker. 100%. I bring clothes for every possible situation. What if it's cold? What if it's hot? What if we go to a fancy dinner? I need options. My suitcase is always very heavy.
I can imagine. So, your heavy suitcase is packed. Do you plan an itinerary? An itinerary is a plan for your trip, a schedule of activities.
Yes and no. I like to have a general idea of what I want to do. For my dream beach vacation, I would plan to go snorkeling one day, maybe have a nice dinner another day. But I don't like to plan every single hour. I like to have freedom and be spontaneous.
I'm a bit more of a planner. For a city like Rome, I would make a list of the top 5 or 6 places I absolutely must see. Then I would plan my days around those places. It helps me make sure I don't miss anything important.
That makes sense for a city trip. There is so much to see and do. You need a plan. So, this conversation is making me want to travel. Do you have a favorite travel memory from a past vacation?
I do. A few years ago, I went to the mountains with some friends. We rented a small cabin. One morning, we woke up very early to watch the sunrise from the top of a mountain. It was so quiet and so beautiful. The sky was pink and orange. I'll never forget it.
Wow, that sounds absolutely magical. A simple moment like that is often the best part of a trip.
It really is. What about you, Chloe? What's a favorite memory of yours?
I think my favorite memory was on a trip to Portugal. I was in a small town by the sea and I took a cooking class. We learned how to make traditional Portuguese food. We cooked all day and then we all ate together. The people were so friendly and the food was delicious. It was a perfect day.
That sounds amazing. Connecting with local culture through food is one of the best experiences.
It is. You know, we've covered so much about planning a vacation. Let's do a quick review for our listeners.
Great idea. So, first we talked about choosing a destination, whether it's a relaxing beach or a historic city. Then we discussed the importance of making a budget and saving money.
That's right. After that, we talked about the process of booking flights and hotels, and the difference between being a light packer and an overpacker like me.
And finally, we discussed creating an itinerary or a plan for your trip, and we shared some of our favorite travel memories.
It really shows that there are so many things to think about, but all of this planning leads to wonderful experiences and memories that last a lifetime.
It certainly does. This was a really fun conversation, Chloe. Now I really want to book a flight to Rome.
And I'm going to go look at pictures of beautiful beaches, but I think our time is almost up for today. A huge thank you to everyone listening. We hope you enjoyed our conversation about planning a dream vacation.
And now we have a question for you. What is your dream vacation destination? Where would you go if you could travel anywhere in the world?
Please leave a comment below and tell us about your dream trip. We would absolutely love to read your ideas.
And don't forget to watch our other videos and to subscribe to Real World English for more easy and fun conversations. Please give this episode a like if you enjoyed it.
That's right. Well, goodbye for now, Ben.
Goodbye, Chloe, and goodbye, everyone. Happy travels, and we'll see you next time.